So Australia's class-leading vertical bike rack brand, Shingleback Offroad, has revamped their entire range for 2025 with two significant model lines. There's the Shingleback Regular and this, the all-new Shingleback Pro. Super heavy duty, even rated for commercial use. This is the Rolls-Royce of vertical bike racks, and we're about to tell you some of the features of why that is. So the Pro model essentially brings together everything that Shingleback has developed over the years that's absolute top shelf, as you expect. And that starts with the design of the cradles that absolutely hold the bike super snug. But then there's a bunch of other features that we've come to see as well, which is super high quality material construction. That's Aussie steel, Aussie bungees. The lifespan of a rack like this is going to last years and years and years. Now, like I mentioned, because this rack is designed for commercial use as well, so it's going to be in use every single day, Shingleback has even got some new pieces, like right here we've got like a poly nylon material, so where the extension of the rack goes, and even down here where the rack pivots, there's some poly nylon as well, just making it a little smoother, adding more wear and tear to the rack, so you can expect even more life out of the rack. Now, I mentioned before, we've got some adjusts. We've got 280 mils of vertical adjustment. So if you're gonna be carrying like 2.9ers, for instance, you might wanna raise that up, give you a bit more ground clearance as well. Or if you've got like smaller regular trail bikes, you'd lower that down, give you a little more overhead clearance. Heaps of customization being built into the rack here. There's also, as we know with the cradles, lots of configuration, so you can set them up so there's absolutely no way the bikes are going to touch in transit. So that's another really good bit of peace of mind we've got there. Configuration wise with the Pro, you've got either 4, 5 or 6 bike model. Now the top weight load of this thing, like I said before, heavy duty, maximum load that the Pro can take is 140 kilos of payloads. That's extremely heavy bikes on here, up to 35 kilos per bike per cradle maximum. But yeah, 140 total gross across, depending on how many bikes you got on there. So you could have stack this thing with e-bikes, and peace of mind, you know, the rack's gonna be rated to it. It's still gonna have the warranty and everything else. Perfect bit of kit. Now there's some other little bits and pieces which we're seeing for the first time this year, including this, which is the speed dial, which is a really nice little insert that comes in and out there for when you're using the actual rack itself. For instance, if I wanna lower the bikes down, I just come around here, I push in the foot, down it comes, and it makes the bike super easy to load on and off, but then at the same time, makes it really easy to access the rear of the vehicle. So a great little design thing. Like I mentioned before, we've got the nylon in there, and then I want to push the bikes up they go, they clip in, my speed line goes back in. So yeah, Shingleback Pro, a bunch of accessories as we've decided to. You can customize the rack. So I've got it set up here for my little man. He's got his 20-inch mountain bike, carry BMXs, small mountain bikes. You can carry road bikes. You can even have the attachments on the back to carry all sorts of other bits and pieces. So really versatile rack, ultra high quality. Shingleback Pro model. We've just got our hands on this one. It's only just launched. We've been playing with it for a little while. So far, so good, as you expect from Shingleback, but even better. It's the best rack on the market by far in terms of the vertical. Yeah, Aussie brand Shingleback, killing it as always. 2025, check them out.